Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 10. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is challenging the nation and particularly teachers to look out for children and ensure their security and protection. The call comes in the wake of several disturbing reports of child murders. Mrs. Simpson Miller was speaking on Sunday as she awarded 40 teachers who have given outstanding service to the sector and the larger community for over 15 years. She urged the educators to use their unique position to help parents better understand how to protect their children.
Teachers should also encourage parents to instill good discipline and other positive values at home. That way, they will help to make classrooms safer, create an improved learning environment. Educated parents, ladies and gentlemen, will help us to move away from a situation where vandalism is regarded as a way of life and violence is the accepted method of settling all disputes.
The Prime Minister also pointed out that, for its part, government has been moving quickly to build a platform for better parenting with the passage of the Parenting Bill in Parliament. The Labour and Social Security Ministry will be rolling out the National Welfare to Work strategy, the Steps to Work program, island-wide within the next 2 months. Portfolio Minister Derek Kelly says a pilot intervention has been completed and the ministry is in the final stages of designing a strategy for its implementation by August 2013.
Steps to Work will continue to target working-age members of part families to provide them with training and on-the-job experience to enable them to seek and retain employment.
In the meantime, he says the ministry has already recertified over 10,000 of the approximately 38,000 families on the Program of Advancement through Health and Education path. The process began in March this year and the field exercise is to be completed by July, after which the data will be analyzed to inform the exit strategy for eligible path families. Government is working on a number of initiatives to ensure Jamaican exporters are treated fairly when conducting business with their foreign counterparts. The Jamaican and Dominican Republic governments will be having discussions to amend the law which requires Jamaican exporters to hire local distributors when conducting trade with that country. Speaking at the recent launch of National Exporters Month, the Industry Minister Anthony Hilton said this resulted in Jamaican exporters paying high fees while distributors and merchants in the Dominican Republic were protected from foreign competition and goods. Meanwhile, under the CARICOM-Costa Rica agreement, a special protocol is being requested for Jamaican inspection teams to visit Costa Rica to verify the origin of goods. Minister Hilton said proper verification was needed to ensure the safety and origin of products.
Jamaica will be pushing for near-automatic visas to be issued for its officials, which will provide the element of surprise needed to properly determine origin status.
Government is calling on Jamaicans to support its efforts to develop legislation to ban smoking in public spaces. The move will form part of the program to tackle non-communicable diseases like diabetes and cancer. Statistics indicate that tobacco kills nearly 6 million people each year, 600,000 of whom are non-smokers exposed to second-hand smoking. Holders of health insurance are being encouraged to use their insurance at public health institutions and offset the cost of getting the best care available in the public health system. That call comes from Chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Dr. Littleton Shirley.
All our hospitals are equipped to accept your insurance to allow you to access all the cares. The removal of user fee did not remove persons who have insurance.
Dr. Shirley says if more persons use their insurance, it will help administrators meet the cost of delivering quality health care to those who are uninsured. And finally, the National Council on Sport is making further strides in its bid to implement an insurance and pension scheme for Jamaica's athletes. At the Council's first working meeting, chaired by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, the body was updated on aspects of the insurance and pension scheme. Subcommittee groupings were also identified, with the Prime Minister recommending that priority attention be given to the establishment of an athlete wellness center on Argyle Road. She also highlighted the need to make better use of the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.